Hello everyone. So, if you're wondering how do you get a joystick and make the joystick actually works on a Pokemon Go, it's actually very simple. First, you're gonna have to download FGL Pro. It's completely free and it's really easy to use. You can just download it on the Play Store. But I think this is only for like Android users. If you like iOS, just download Pokemon Go plus plus on like Tutu app or Tweakbox. But I'm on Android, so yeah. So if you want to get FGL Pro, just simple FGL Pro. Search that. So yeah. So when you download FGL Pro, you're gonna have to enable mock location. Now you got to use what's it called? Developer options. So yeah. To unlock developer options, you're gonna have to go to about phone and then go to software information. Now you just have to keep tapping the build number rapidly until it says developer mode has been turned on. Then you go to developer options, and then you go to mock location app, and and then you just tap on FGL Pro. That's FGL Pro will just say mock location, and then you go to FGL Pro, and then and then I think it will just automatically go where you are, or just say where you are. Then you can just go on Pokemon Go. Now, really, I don't really live where I'm at right now in Pokemon Go. Sorry if the screen is too small. So, I do not live here. This is Detroit. I do not live in Detroit. So, yeah. So, this. Oh, wait, also, you have to, sorry. You also have to turn on. You're supposed to press this this arrow or like play button at the bottom left, and then this joystick will come up, and then now this joystick is not like any other joystick. Like you just go here, like if you just do that, he will just move automatically without lagging. But this is not lagging. Also, what's kind of hard about this is that like when you go, it's actually like going compass. Like if you want to go north, see the red triangle, you go there. But if you want, but that does not, it does not go like forward. It means like to go north. And if you want to go south, do the black arrow. But if you just want to mess around and then do that, like if you're thinking out west or south or east or north, you just change that. But I don't see the point of changing this, so I don't think that's really useful. Now this will fix your location, I think. If you look at the top left corner, you see this text called next autofix in something 30 seconds. And then it will just reset it. See when it lags like that. It will just lag. Just so it won't prevent that GPS error thing. No, this, you just have to like put it where you want to go. If you want to go like north, you just do that and let go. That's what's kind of hard about it. Yeah, but there's a way to like teleport. You see the arrow at the top left corner. You see that it says teleport. It's kind of far because you need latitude and longitude. So yeah. If you press home, then it will just take you to the app. Though it's kind of hard to go to places. Like right now I'm trying to go to that blue gym. See what I mean about it's hard? Now there's a way to like set up your location. And also this is completely safe. Like you won't get red warnings or it won't get banned. Well, I'm pretty sure. Think so? Yeah. So I'm not completely sure how you do this. Like I think you just turn it off, but I don't know how you turn it off. And I guess you just like tap somewhere. But I don't really not so sure about how to do that. So yeah, that's how you use a joystick. Use a joystick. Oh god, that's completely hook on me. So I think you should like if you want to go somewhere that has a lot of Pokestops, like the United States or something, or if you're in Michigan, I think you should go to Detroit because that has a lot of Pokestops. And I figured that because it has a lot of popular places like the Detroit Museum, I think, no, the Detroit Art Gallery, or the scoreboard, stuff like that, or cool graffitis. Yeah, there's a lot of Pokestops and a lot of gyms. And a lot of Pokemon. The Pikmin. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys understand more about how to use this joystick. And hopefully you guys have a better day by playing Pokemon Go while you're inside your bed, inside the covers. And just messing around with the joystick and collecting so many Pokemon that you might just throw up. Yeah. A lot. You also get a lot of eggs. Alright.